Confirm no missing items on the unpacking checklist, and check if the chain brake and air filter cover have shipping damage. Install the bumper spike 2 screws. Attach the guide bar and chain. Adjust the tensioner screw to align the holes on the guide bar. The appropriate tightness can be adjusted via the tensioner screw. Mount the saw chain on the guide bar, ensuring the cutting teeth face straight forward, the chain's rotation direction. Critical: ensure the chain is correctly seated onto the chain sprocket. Finally, before starting the saw, you must release the chain brake.